So today we are going to see some basic concepts of chemistry, in which I am going to explain how many electrons, protons and neutrons are there in a specific atom or an ion. So let's suppose we represent an atom like this, X, and this is Z, and this is A. This is the atomic number and this is the atomic mass. So this atomic number is nothing but the number of protons. This atomic number is nothing but the number of protons. And in an atom which does not have any charge on it, in that particular atom the number of protons is always equals to number of electrons. This is one fact that you should always keep in mind. The number of protons is equals to number of protons. But if you want to determine the atomic number, you will always rely on number of protons. Now how to find out number of neutrons? Number of neutrons for a particular element, an atom, is equals to Z minus A. That is the difference between this atomic mass and this atomic number. This is how you will be able to find out the number of neutrons. Now I am going to show you some examples with respect to the calculation of number of electrons, protons and neutrons. Let's focus on this. CO. Now first, before even we start with this, I'll just tell you Alright, so we'll see first these examples. CO. If I am supposed to calculate the number of protons for CO, what am I going to do? What is the atomic number for carbon? It is 6. And how many particles of carbon are there? 1. So 1 into 6 plus 1 oxygen atom over here, right? Oxygen is 8, 16, right? So number of protons over here is 8. So 1 into 8. So this is the number of protons. How much is this? 6 plus 8, 14. Similarly, number of electrons will also be 14 because there is no charge on this particular compound or gas, whatever it is. Alright, and if I have to calculate the number of neutrons, it would be calculated in this way. Again, see the fashion in which I am calculating the number of neutrons. The difference between 12 and 6 is 6, right? And there is one carbon atom. So 1 into 6. Similarly, the difference between 16 and 8 is 8. And there is one oxygen atom. So 1 into 8. So even the number of neutrons over here is 14. Similarly, we will calculate for CH4. So I am going to do this for protons now. Again, 1 into 6 plus for hydrogen. How many protons are there in one atom of hydrogen? 1 proton, right? So here 4 particles are there of hydrogen. So 1 into 4. So this brings 6 plus 4, 10. And similarly, the number of electrons is also 10. Similarly, if I see for CaCO3, so what we are going to do over here, again the number of protons is 20, one atom is there, carbon atom is 1, right? We have already seen how to calculate for carbon atom, and oxygen over here is 8. So 8 is 24, you will have to sum it up. And this is how you will get number of protons and electrons. Now this is one compound that you need to do on your own. Thank you.